Let's continue with the methods of my custom adapter that extends the base adapter. And remember, we are creating this adapter to display our customized list items. getCount. This method returns the number of items in your data source. It tells the adapter how many items it should create views for. In our example, we are passing the data source as a string array. So we need to get the length of this data source using items, which is the data source, and .length attribute to get it as an int because it's returning type as getItem method returns the data item at a specific position within your data source. It's used to get the data for a particular view. In this case, we are dealing with items array of strings. And to access array items at specific position, we need to specify items, and here we pass the index. Here, the position is a parameter passed. I need to use this parameter to get the index of the item. So position, I am passing this parameter into the index of the array in order to get it and return it as an object for the getItem method. This method, getItemId, returns a unique identifier for a data item at a specific position. It's mainly used for optimizing the recycling of views. The returned ID doesn't necessarily need to be based on the data. It just needs to be unique. And for that, I'll use this position parameter passed to return it because this method gets the ID of the item associated with a particular position in the list. Let's move to the last method. This method displays the data at a position in the data set. This method is where the magic happens. I want from you to focus with me because it's very important. It's responsible for creating and returning the view for a specific position in the data source. You inflate your layout and populate it with the data here. The convertView parameter is recycled view that you can reuse if available for better performance. Let's start with our getView. But before we dive into the getView, we need to create an instance from viewHolder. And the viewHolder class is a static class that we need to create under the getView. I'll start with static class viewHolder. In the next video, we'll talk about the viewHolder and continue with the getView method.